SM. This part of the highway is unbelievably rough. I think all the workers must have been drinking Red Horse. But a kilometer up the road, it's actually smooth. Intersection there goes all the way to the highway, the toll highway that goes into Angeles. And the peak in front of me, on the other side of that, I went there a couple of weeks ago, and they're building 4 or 5 apartment buildings about 5 stories high. But yeah, there's nothing around it. First tower is going to be done in just over a year. But I'm not going to move into an apartment building. This is the smooth part of the highway. Starting at this section, it's all Hanna Corporation. To the right, there's a PGA, like a Robert Palmer golf course being made. It's going to be open up end of February of this year, and they are going to have the big PGA here and probably within a year. But this whole area to the right is the Hanna Corporation. They're building condos, hospitals, schools, malls, and 3 golf courses. One is going to be ready in a couple of months. The main entrance for the corporation, Hanna. They also have built the hotel in New Clark City, where the Hard Rock Cafe is, and they also got a casino and a hotel. Structure to the right, that's the railway that is going from Clark Airport to the brand new Manila Airport. And this section right here with the lower levels with the steel beams, this is going to be a station stop for the SM Mall, and it's going to continue all the way through Angeles. And I would say 7 to 10 years. I would say more or less on 10 years that it's going to be all ready. But yeah, it's going to be an amazing project. You just get the train, go straight into Manila. That is going to be amazing. So Anyway, thanks for hanging in. I'm at SM Mall. Have yourself a great sunny day.